me to join now.
At long last, we can finally call this game complete. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me what you thought of this guy. I've been Mindbender, and I'll talk to you later.
I'll look for Iron Man 60 on the list now. It said you would invite me.
Jesus. I've got a tendency to cough all day.
Did you get the 2 invites?
No.
Well, I'm not inviting you again, so you'll have to find out how to join.
I have no idea. You can join one of the games that I play. And see what you think, and if you don't like it, you don't like it. Deal?
But you're gonna play that stupid cleaning simulator.
No. It's not Cleaning Simulator, it's something different.
Okay, I'll join you. And by the way, stop saying that I only choose the games, because you chose like... You always play it.
The game's called The Flash, but in brackets it says development ceased.
But I hope I don't have to become the Flash, because I'm just gonna leave.
We can choose from a variety of characters across the show.
Yeah, but I don't want to be any hero or whatever. I want to be my character that I am right now. Neon Cat. Not Nyan Cat. As in the meow 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 meow. I mean as in Neon Cat.
The mouse has been a bit glitchy. Oh, the front
Do you have any
picture,
game which has Afro?
so the picture is a picture of a Flash and his eyes are like yellow. You can see the lightning coming off his back, but the rest of the...
Do you know any Roblox game where it has Afro?
No.
Afro is basically them really tall dudes. Not me as a tall dude. I mean as in them weird who look like humans.
Right. You can play
It
Splitting
might say
Point.
Afro on the bottom left hand corner or something. That's a weird game. It's like that long neck game, but your body splits.
Yeah. I agree.
Because it shows a bit.
Animatronic World. You like that?
Can you become your
animatronic,
Afro character, and you don't have to walk like a weird dude doing a like hand forward thing.
You can make your own custom made animatronic, yeah.
Yeah, but can you be yourself?
Well, you start off as yourself, but you can change. You can change to a character that the game provides you with, or you can make your own.
But can you be this? Can you have animations in it?
Not that I'm aware
Like,
of.
as in, so you walk cool, so you don't have to like walk like, you know how
like Minecraft.
on a murder mystery walk like weird Lego.
Yeah, like Minecraft.
I don't want to walk like that.
What about Arsenal then?
What?
What about Arsenal? Because that's in first person. You don't get.
What is Arsenal?
It's a first person shooter game. It's not violent, obviously, but I actually find it fun.
Get ready.
To you to like it. I mean, the trailer looks.
To get
I'll invite
locked
one of my friends see if they want to play this game
action-packed
that I'm playing
gameplay,
right now.
loads of weapons, character
Or I might play
customization.
You can
Fortnite.
customize
Just
your
be
character
sure to
and
bring
that.
plenty of ammo.
So,
Dylan, guess what? Dylan, guess what? Dylan, you still there? Buddy, you alright? Dylan. Connecting, right. Just what I needed in my YouTube career, didn't I? I'm assisted from assisted. What does it matter? What does it matter? Why is it fucking no. No.
Roll out here with Lego Transformers Quick Stop Classic Colors version.
He's inviting me again. Oh, what's the classic? What's the gamble about that? Oh, yes. Yes. Something went wrong. Try again later. Oh, I got a message from someone. Someone. Dylan. No, it's not one. Is that a game? It's a game. Nope. Is this not recording? I'm still recording. What time am I on? Like, what time am I recording?